Hello friends, today we are going to see what is the process of applying TCS NQT. So first of all, if we are going to apply for TCS NQT, we have to go for this link, right, this page. So we will put link in description, you can find below link, right. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on registration, register now. And first, if you are going to register for first self, you have to click on create account. So after all, you have to fill this form, like you have to enter first name, email ID, password, etc. So let's enter. Suppose let's say give example XYZ ABC, right, this is name, and email ID suppose I have given actually you have to give your main email, right, which email you are using for everything, like sending email or for everything, fill up for form, so that this TCS NQT admit card will come in your this email. So be careful. In password, what you have to do, you cannot simply put ABCD or anything in password. You have to use a special character also in your password. Suppose if you will see my password, what I have given, I have given PASS at 123. So you can do password different, you can use different password. So just for example, I have taken this one. You have to confirm your password again, and you have to put your mobile number, and just click on validate number. It will send OTP on your mobile number. You have to put OTP here, so just wait for OTP. So my OTP is 5496. I will put here 5496, and I will click on validate OTP. It will, you can see here it's so that OTP verified. Now what you have to do, if you are minor, then you have to click here, otherwise you have to just put captcha and just tick below, and you have to click on create account. So captcha is at 5YQ3PFS, right, take here, and it will ask you to take in different form, like privacy notice, privacy policy, and term and conditions. So just click on each and every tab and click on this box, click OK. Now you have to click on create account, so that it will create your account. Then you have to fill your details, right. So after this one, you can see this is your name. You can change your name here also. If suppose you have put your name in by mistake wrong name, so you can change your name here. Suppose I just change my mind and you will put my name, right. So suppose I have put name, right. First, then after we have to suppose enter our state, in which state we are coming from. So I will put Punjab, right. Now it will let you in different screen, and there you have to put your information. So in personal information, you can see this is my name, email ID, and I have to select my birthday, date of birth. So I will select, right, 97 August 6, and I have to select a state. So my state is Punjab. I will put Punjab, and you have to select district. So I will select Jalandhar, right, and again you have to say generate OTP for this one. So it will click here, and you have to click put this captcha 89JHRP2, right, submit, and it will send OTP on your mobile phone. Okay, it's saying you have put wrong. Okay, be careful at the time of filling captcha, right. So just wait for OTP, and you have to validate OTP. This time it will send you 6 digit of OTP. So just I got to receive my OTP. I will check. My OTP is 152664, 152664, and I have to click on validate OTP. Yeah, OTP successfully validated. Now you have to enter your qualification details. If you are in last year and you will pass out in 2021, so you don't know when you will pass out, so directly you can put July 2021, right. It will not affect your result or anything. So just we will select June or July, you can select anyone, right. Institute name, for institute name, what you have to do, you have to just click here and you will search your institute name. You can search directly your institute name, or otherwise you can search your institute name using inputting state or something like. So suppose I have in Punjab and I will search here. It will show all institute inside the Punjab. I will select my state. Suppose it's not saying, so let's select in Chandigarh. Click on search. I will select Chandigarh University. Right. So you can see this is subject for NQT. They have part 1 and part 2. In part 1 they have MCQ questions 10, and in part 2 you have 2 programming questions, right? So let's, you can see, and in fourth, if you will see examination details, you have to choose option for choosing 2 types of examination mode, right? If one is online and another one is offline examination. For if you will select offline exam, what you have to do, you have to go to TCS ION center and you have to give your exam there, and that exam also will held on computer, so it is also online based, but it is for you, so that if you have enough computer so that you can take your exam, you can select online. Otherwise you select in center and you have to select any center state, and it will put any center, like you have to choose your center. So I will select online exam, and if you will see, if you are going to select online exam, they have given some requirement for your system. So you have minimum for 2 Mbps internet connectivity. If you have not, it will work. Let's they have given normally, just you have to good enough internet so that you can serve their website. Okay, so now you have to upload your photo. So click here and I will upload photo. So actually I am not going to fill this form originally, so I will put any photo. So I have created one dummy photo. I will use this dummy photo. Right, close, and put again CAPTCHA 358B5CK, and just click on declaration and submit. It's very easy process. And the last, you can see, you can this is in this screen, you can see this is your NQT registration number. It will help you to get your admit card, and that's all. You can find that email details on your email. Right, so you can see this is the information that I have filled. Right, so now I will close this screen. After closing, you can see there is no option for registration. It will change that registration to view details. If you will click here, you can see the details of your form, what you have filled up. Right, you have also a different option for editing your application. You can also change in your application if you want. So this is done. Let's close. If you will see, they have one button, simple test. So if you will click here, you can see real environment, right? If you will see, sit in examination, if you will go, suppose TCS ION center, and you have to give examination, so this same screen will appear there on desktop, and you have to give examination. So at the time they will give you user ID and password. So this user ID by default they will set, and in password maybe you have to enter your date of birth and different thing. They will instructor will tell you at the time, and you will, when you will click on sign in, you will see this screen, right? So you have to click, this is instruction for this examination. Read this instruction, click on next, and tick here and click on I am ready to begin. You can see the simple test, right? It is, if you will say, you can say easily that it is demo test. So this same environment you can face, or you will find in a center where you will go for examination, right? So they have different section listed here, right? Reasoning ability section, numerical ability, verbal, and you can see in right side they have number of questions, how much question you have completed or how much you remain. You can say there is green for completed answer, and that's all. So after completing all questions, you have to submit, and in submit last you can see there all the sections of examination, done question, how much question you have completed, how much question you have not answered, or something like that. And after that click yes, yeah, okay, it will end your examination, right? So this is simple process of giving exam or filling the form of TCS NQT, right? Here you can see I got information regarding my NQT registration on email. This is my NQT registration number and everything. So this is, be careful at the time of filling your email ID, because which email ID you will put there, you will get admit card or something, all information on that email, right? So it's done. Thanks for watching. Okay, thank you.